Hello students. Now in our next lecture of physics, we are going through about the torque and torque applied on an electric dipole when placed in electric field. We have already discussed about the torque, that is tau is equal to P cross E or P sin theta. Now the same electric dipole is also holding or also storing some type of potential energy in it. That potential energy in the uniform electric field we have to calculate. So this is the linked topic, and this topic is in the next chapter also, but we are taking it here because sometimes in the numerical portion we use this potential energy formula. So here is the potential energy of a dipole when placed in uniform electric field. This is the uniform electric field, and here it is the dipole, electric dipole that is inclined. This is the dipole minus q plus q, having the forces F minus q, F plus q, that is the distance 2a, and dipole moment P from negative to positive, and the electric field is in this direction, so having the angle theta with it. Now we have already discussed that torque is equal to P cross E in the vector form. P is electric dipole moment and E is electric field, and torque is equal to Pe sin theta. That theta is the angle between the dipole moment and electric field. Okay. So what we are going to calculate at here, that whenever this dipole that you are viewing as inclined, if this dipole is freed in this uniform electric field, it will come in this direction, like in this direction. Or we can say that afterwards this dipole comes in equilibrium condition, Equilibrium condition means that theta is 0, so torque is equal to P E sin 0, so there is no torque. It means that stable condition, and it is stable condition. So this is the electric field, and here minus and here positive, and this is the dipole moment, and here the theta is 0. So if you will write down unstable situation, then the dipole moment is reversed to the electric field, that is theta is 180 degree. Now what is the concept and what is the reason? That situation is that if we are in this situation of equilibrium and we want to displace our dipole in this direction, if we touch the dipole and displace the electric dipole in this direction, so at oncely we will free this dipole held in electric field, it will comes to its original position in this direction. इसका मतलब जैसे ही हम डाइपोल को लेके इस तरीके से करेंगे, थोड़ा सा थीटा एंगल देंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से, डाइपोल अपनी प्लेस पे पोजीशन पे वापस आ जाएगा. जब हमने डाइपोल को इंक्लाइन करा किसी यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर, हमने उसे रोटेट कराया, रिवॉल्व कराया, तो डाइपोल के अंदर किसी पोजीशन पे जाके एक पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी स्टोर हो गई, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. लाइक यहाँ से अगर हम इस डाइपोल को इस तरीके से इंक्लाइन करके रोटेट करते हैं, इस तरीके से इंक्लाइन थीटा एंगल देते हैं, तो डाइपोल के अंदर कोई एनर्जी स्टोर हो जाती है, दैट एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. सो इफ वी डिस्प्लेस आवर डाइपोल in uniform electric field, by angle theta, so it stores some potential energy in it, and that potential energy we have to calculate. So now let us suppose if the dipole is displaced by angle d theta, if the dipole is displaced by angle d theta, then energy stored is, that is dW is equal to torque into d theta. That is the formula. How this formula comes? Actually, if you open this torque, work is equal to force into displacement. If you open this torque is equal to force into displacement, as torque is equal to force into displacement. Displacement is that s, distance. So work is equal to torque into d theta, and torque force into displacement into d theta. Actually, this displacement theta is equal to L upon R. Theta is equal to L by R. So L is equal to R into theta. So this is R into theta as L. So now here comes work is equal to force into displacement. So now if we displace the dipole from angle theta 1 to theta 2, then dW is equal to torque into d theta. dW is equal to, using the formula of torque, PE sin theta d theta, integrating on both sides with respect to theta, from limit theta 1 to theta 2, from limits theta 1 to theta 2. So dW is equal to PE sin theta d theta, integrating, that is theta 1 to theta 2. dW becomes W, PE comes as it is, theta 1 to theta 2, that is sin theta, that is d theta. So W we use as U for potential energy, and PE. What is the integration of sin theta? The differentiation of sin theta is cos theta positive, but integration is minus. So minus cos theta and theta 1 to theta 2. So U is equal to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. First of all, minus comes here, minus comes side, and this theta 2, first of all limit, then minus sign, then theta 1. So this is the formula. Now the cases arises. So for the case, this is the formula for potential energy. Potential energy is stored in a dipole when placed in uniform electric field. Now the cases we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.